Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 16 Fairway Drive in Auburn, nearby beautiful Owasco Lake.
This spectacular property has picturesque French country charm combined with resort-style living.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
This property will captivate you with ultimate charm. Featuring exquisite landscaping complemented with a brick driveway and walkway, leading to the covered entry and two-story grand foyer with sidelights.
This is phenomenal open living with a great room featuring soaring cathedral ceilings over 21 feet high. With a living area with a palladium window, a gorgeous wood-burning fireplace and mantel, and beautiful hardwood floors. Leading to the sitting area with crown molding and French doors leading to the deck. The white and bright designer kitchen is over the top with decorative moldings, high-end appliances, a walk-in pantry, a center island, and a breakfast bar. Open to the dining area with a wall of windows, wainscoting, and those beautiful hardwood floors, all with an adjacent powder room and laundry.
Enjoy the ease and convenience of one-floor living with a first-floor primary suite with crown molding, beautiful hardwood floors, a walk-in closet, a fireplace to set the ambiance, and a spa bathroom with a jetted tub and skylight. What a great place to relax! The excitement continues upstairs with a landing overlooking the great room, two spacious bedrooms, one with a walk-in closet, and a full bathroom. While the finished lower level provides great additional living space with a bonus room with a fireplace, gym area, powder room, and exceptional storage. This architect-designed home was quality built, and the craftsmanship is evident in the details, along with the spectacular landscaping resulting in one of the most charming homes ever.
This is resort-style living at its best. Enjoy having the backyard everyone will be envious of. Featuring an entertainment-sized deck with a wood cathedral ceiling covered section with heaters, a dining area, a gorgeous in-ground pool with lounging areas, and a relaxing gazebo overlooking the meticulously maintained over an acre lot with exquisite landscaping. Truly a park-like setting. All with extraordinary ambient evening lighting to showcase the beauty of this property day or night.
Here we are at Emerson Park on beautiful Owasco Lake.
That's right, Rich. You could go swimming, boating, or enjoy an afternoon picnic with scenic views. What a great place to spend a day in the heart of the Finger Lakes region.
Nearby are many outstanding golf courses and country clubs. The Owasco Country Club, Lakeview Golf and Country Club, Highland Park Golf Course, and of course Skaneateles Country Club. Auburn is a great place to live. It has great restaurants, shopping, historic areas, and even a Wegmans.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 16 Fairway Drive in Auburn.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!